Okay guys, look at this. This is the app for the Lighting Trendz, the brand new thing that's on the market right now. Is making noise. You probably want to have this in your car. Can you see me well? So yeah, this is the app, as you can see right here. Yeah, it's the thing that's is popping right now. Lots of people loving it. You probably want to have this in your car. You know, it's pretty simple. I don't know, you can see that. You see, like when I change it, everything changes. You know, let's do something interesting. You see that? See that move right there? That's something. It's pretty sick. Like tap that, it changed. So if I flip this, look at that. You see that? I do that, it changes everything. And I tap that. I'm hoping you can see this because I cannot see anything. So yeah, you see that? And then it also look solid lights. You tap on that, it's solid. If that's what you want, to go with, it's perfect. You know, it stays that way. You can dim it if it's too you know, if you want it brighter, you can make it brighter. So if you want maybe blue, you want to go with blue, you go with blue. You just hit blue. You see all those things? You see all those? You can control from there. Like this circle right here is my favorite. Like, just tap it. You got all this, you know, all these different type of movements that you got going in the back. You know, kids will love this. You know, you get that, all the movements. You can do whatever you want with it. See that? It changes. It changes. This is so cool. So yeah, you definitely wanna have this in your car. Again, it's called Lighting Trendz. What we used to use before, we used to use a SK Glow. SK Glow was cool. Don't get me wrong, SK Glow was cool. But this one is something else. This one comes with lots of different features compared to the old one that we used to use, the SK Glow. This one's got way many options compared to the older one. You know, but the other one was cool too again. But this one is different. You know, that's how I would put it. This one's different. Definitely want to have this in your car. You know, especially if you drive a car like this one, the Tesla especially. You know, because Tesla is pretty dark in it. You know what I mean? So we do this to lots of Tesla owners. They come here because they want to do this into their cars. You know what I mean? So yeah, again guys, if you want to do something like this, to your car, make sure to comment below, give us a call, stop by Fantasy Motorsports. We got 2 locations, one in Northridge, another one in Thousand Oaks, California, to be specific. Oh, something else I almost forgot. You see all these things that we did? You see the seats and all this? We customized all that. These seats right here, we did that. Like everything in here was customized. Besides the lights, of course, because it came like that. But the seats, all these seats, like the color, everything. What we did, we removed everything. We took everything out. The steering wheel too was not like this. We did that. We customized everything. All this, we did that. You see the way it looks? It looks like it came like that. It looks like it came with the car. It looks like it was made factory. You know, that's what's really cool about this new Lighting Trendz. Look at that. Doesn't that look like it came just like that? It came like it was made with the car. It doesn't look trashy. It looks clean, like very clean. This was just a quick demonstration for you guys, you know, to enjoy this, to check it out. If you want to do something to your car, again, make sure to comment below whatever you think. Was this cool? Was it not cool? What do you think about this? Would you want to install this in your car? What I think you should, especially if you drive a Tesla or if you drive a car like this one. You know what I mean? So this is pretty nice. Catch you guys next time.
Fantasy motorsports, boss, do it for the sports, boss. Fantasy doing the vandal rap, fantasy doing all kinds of rap. SK Glow with the Ambient lights, fix a drum with a dynamite. You will fall in love at first sight, cause fantasy is something that you would like. Yeah, all my friends and family take their cars to fantasy. Walking on your car, they will bring your dream to reality. They will never let you down, treat you just like family. Fantasy could be your new family. Fantasy family, fantasy's family. Hook you up with them subwoofers, tune it up with some amplifiers, cause some dash with some nice speakers. We do it all with them big steppers. Muffler delete, get your Kali, you be on fleek. We do it like this. Fantasy motorsports, fantasy motorsports, go on to your car. Fantasy motorsports, fantasy motorsports. Fantasy. Motorsports. Motorsports. Fantasy. Oh, young song. 21. Junior car. Junior car.